What's up, everybody? Today I have just a quick update video on a couple things that are happening here in SewGnar Studios, SewGnar World. I need like another S and a cool S word besides, yeah. Anyways, we are just getting started on the Backpack Bash Bonanza. If you haven't already watched, be sure to check out the first video that is on the Snack Pack Backpack by Dog Under My Desk. It is the cutest little mini backpack. I have several other backpack patterns lined up and a new one that I've never made before. Sorry, here comes Druzy. She's coming to say hello. A few new ones that I've never made before, but one that I've never even really seen around. So I'm really excited about that one. She is a designer that I've followed for some time now, but she's not like big in our scene that I've noticed. So I'm really excited to bring her pattern to the Backpack Bash. If you join my Patreon, then you will get all of the videos early and ad-free. So if you're interested in checking that out, the link is below. Next up, big news. I am teaching in Garner, North Carolina. So that's like the Raleigh, North Carolina area, very close to Raleigh, Cary, Greensboro, all that, very, very accessible. Druzy's super stoked for it, can't you tell? But I'm teaching at the sewing room, and I will be making a Sarona. This is a 2-day event, one class per day. You don't need to do the whole weekend. It's 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. and you will leave with your very own Sarona. The class itself costs $60, and then there is a materials cost kit of $25, and that comes with everything that you need to make this bag. And Sandra sent me the samples, so I thought that I would open it and show you guys. So the bag is going to be made with cork, and then she's providing like all the hardware, the zipper, all that jazz. So let's check out what the materials are. So this is how the kit is going to come packaged for you guys. You can see everything is already pre-cut. I see here, so we've got waterproof canvas lining. We've got our cork pre-cut. We've got zipper overlays. We've got corner accents. We have coordinating zipper and zipper pulls. We have all the hardware needed. There are 3 options of cork. So she sent me some samples. At checkout, there will be a poll. I'm pretty sure when you sign up at the end, they will ask you, they'll follow up with you and ask you what kit you want. So these are the cork options. Ooh, I like this one a lot. So we've got these sunflowers. I really love this muted sunflower color. It's like a gray. Sorry, Gary, the vacuum is out there working. If you hear him, I apologize. But it's like a gray black, and then it has a yellow background, but all the flowers are natural background. And it's like a corky cork. It's not like a surface cork. The actual cork is like a cork board or cork block look to it. That one's really cool. Let's see the second option. Ooh, these beautiful florals. I really like this one too. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I would choose if I was you guys, but yep. So this one is very multicolored, has lots of color not color variations, but it has lots of colored flowers on it. I really, really dig this one. It's got a navy blue background back here. And then lastly, of course, is this one that's already pre-packaged in this kit. And so this one is going to be for those of you who love really bright colors. It's iridescent butterflies with a natural cork background. So that is really awesome too. And so Sandra and her team are putting together all of these kits. I'm not sure what the coordinating colors will be for these other 2 corks, but I'm sure that you could easily ask them and they will send you photos or follow up with you and let you know. This is so awesome. Everything is just pre-cut and ready to go. I love this. Really nice zipper pull too. But okay, so the link to take this class is in the description box below. I would really love to see y'all there. There are limited spaces available, so please, if you're considering it, get signed up and let's get you enrolled. And if you are going, please be sure to let me know. Some other info about it. So it'll be March 25th and 26th. That's a Saturday and a Sunday. And again, you just sign up for one class. Unless you want to make 2 bags, you can sign up for both. So 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. both days. The shop is in Garner, North Carolina, right outside of Raleigh. There's a room block at the True by Hilton in Garner. If you want to stay at that hotel, you can certainly do that. If you want to get the block rate, you need to book by March 10th. So all those links are below. And if you do want to sign up, that is something that you do with Sandra at the sewing room. So again, all of that info in the description box below. And lastly, I wanted to let you guys know about the WayWack catalog. I have been talking to them over there ever since we've been working together, and they sent me the online catalog, and my seamstress heart is just so, I love it. The organization is incredible. So if you don't know this about WayWack, they have over 24,000 products. Everything from, I just like clicked through and picked a bunch of stuff. But so tools, threads, zippers, hardware, webbing, snaps. They have every single type of sewing notion that you could possibly imagine. And so I just wanted to share with you guys the link so that you can check it out. Now, if you know anything about me, you know that I try to be as sustainable as possible, so I avoid getting paper catalogs. But if you want that, you can easily sign up for that on their website. But if you're like me, then you love having organization at your fingertips, and that is in an online catalog. And even better is the entire catalog is linked. So say you find some serger thread that you really want to try, but you don't want to have to take the catalog number and input it on the website. You can just click right in the catalog and it links you directly to the product. That's so incredible. If you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you might not know I'm going to be doing a overall sew along where I'm going to make some short alls actually, and I got some really cool mustard denim. But so I need to get some hardware like the overall clippy clip thingies. I need to get those. I need to get buckles. I need to get buttons. I need to get thread. I need to get all my notions to make this pair of overalls. And so I plan on doing all of that here, one-stop shop on waywack.com. So yeah, that's about it. If you're interested in vending, I will be vending the first weekend of April down in Savannah, Georgia. If you are local to Savannah, stop by and see me. I will be at the Southeast Punk Flea. And again, final notice, all of this information, links, and all of that jazz is down below. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you have any thoughts, if you have any suggestions on where I should teach, if you're going to join me for my class, and what are your favorite WayWack. Oh, I just remembered I'm saying it wrong. I think it's WaWack. Whoa. I saw a whole video on their Instagram about it and I can never remember. I'm going to have to go find that again.
WaWack. Sorry, I don't know how to say it right. WaWack.
All right, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Keep an eye out for the next Backpack Bash Bonanza Backpack Sew Along coming your way soon. Bye.